Let's see uses of article A. That when to use article A in the sentences. A is used before a common noun beginning with a consonant and has a consonant sound also. Okay. As you all know, there are 26 alphabets, and from those alphabet 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining alphabets, remaining letters are considered to be as consonant. So A is used with those words that start with a consonant and has a consonant sound. That it means when you pronounce those words, it gives a consonant sound too. Let's see a girl. In this, the first letter, that is G, is a consonant, so you will write A before it. A boy, B is a consonant, so you will place A before it. In the same way, a pen, a table, a river, and a hill. These are all the example of the words that are starting with a consonant. Let's see next one. Before a word beginning with U, you giving the consonant sound U, YU. Example, okay. They are saying we use A before those words also that begins with U and giving the consonant sound, and when we pronounce those words, they give a sound YU. So here Y is a consonant, so we will use A before those words. Let's see example, dash union. So here when we will see the first letter, it's U and it's vowel, but we will not use an over there, because when we pronounce this word union, it gives the consonant sound YU. Here Y is a consonant, so there you will write A. In the same manner, university. When we pronounce the word university, it gives the consonant sound U, so we will use A. A unique, a European. In this word, it's starting with letter E, and you all know A, E, I, O, U are vowels, but we will not use an before it. Why? Because when we pronounce this word European, it gives the consonant sound U, Y, U. So, and Y is a consonant. So, in that case, we will use a European, and in the same way, a useful. Let's see next. Before the word one, which begin with the consonant sound Va. In this, it's written one, and its first letter is O. As we all know, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, but when we pronounce this word one, it gives the consonant sound V, Va. So in that case, we will use A before it. For example, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, etc. Let's see next. Before a word beginning with H and the letter sounds H. Example, okay. For those letter, a word beginning with H means a word starting with a letter H, and when we pronounce it, its sounds comes from H only. So, for example, a hero. In this, when we pronounce the word hero, it gives the constant sound of H only. So, we will place A before it. A hospital, a horse, a hen, etc. So, these are the uses of the article A. That where to use the indefinite article, that is A. Let's see uses of article an. Where to use an? Before a word beginning with a vowel, just I have said, before those words that start with a vowel, that is vowel means A, E, I, O, U. You have to use an. For example, an apple. In this word, see the first letter, it's A. So, as you all know, A is a vowel, so you will use an before it. An apple. In the same manner, an orange, an inkpot, an umpire, an eagle, because its first letter is a vowel. Let's see next. Before a word beginning with a silent H, okay. Before a word that begins with a silent H means in the word the first letter is H, but when we pronounce it, we will not use the H sound over there. When we pronounce the word honest, from it the sound O is coming. So here we used an because in this H is silent. In the same manner, it's written an R. Here H is silent, so we have used an because when we pronounce the word R, it gives the pronunciation or it gives the sound of O first. An ear. So in this case, when you pronounce this word, you will get the sound of E. So you will use an before it. Let's see next. Before abbreviations. Example, MLA, MP, SDO, MSc, FIR, X-ray. Before the abbreviations, you will always use an. These abbreviations, those start with constant sound. As you can see that these abbreviations start with a constant sound. Here it's written M, S. So, but they have vowel sound. When we pronounce these abbreviations, then we will get a vowel sound from all these. So, here we used an before these. Now, let's see the article the. Where to use the definite article, that is the. The is used before a particular person or thing or one already referred to. We use the before a particular person or a thing. The book you purchased is interesting. They are talking about the particular book, so before it we've used the article the. This is the school where we studied. They are talking about the particular school where they studied. So before school we will place the article the. Let's see next. Before a common noun in singular number which is used to indicate a whole class or kind. Before a common noun in singular number. If there is a common noun which is in singular number and which indicate a whole class or kind. So in that case you will use the before it. Let's see. The cow gives milk. Here cow refers to as common noun and it's singular. So before it you will place the. In the same manner, the dog is a faithful animal. So in this sentence also, dog act as a common noun which is singular and it indicate a whole class or kind, means of same things. So we will place the before it because dog indicate the whole category. Let's see next. Before common nouns unique of their kind, means which are unique. Let's see. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges and group of